This is a review of the Nutraceuticals All-in-One Poo Perfect 9-strain probiotic blend. The brand sent this to me so I can do a review, and this is a very, very nice blend that tastes good. It's got a passion peach flavor to it. The suggested use is 2 gummies, preferably with a meal, and a full 8-ounce glass of water. These 2 gummies have digestive enzymes, Akkermansia, and they're gummies with boswellia, serrata, turmeric, chicory. And so not only does this have the 9-strain probiotic blend, it also has a proprietary prebiotic blend, postbiotic blend, and then it's also got a 16-in-1 digestive enzyme blend. And these are gluten-free, and based on all of the probiotic, prebiotic, postbiotic, and digestive enzymes, this particular blend should help with a smoother digestion.